If you're seeing Audacity error 9986, don't worry. This is usually a device or audio driver communication problem, and in many cases, it can be fixed in just a few quick steps without reinstalling anything. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to troubleshoot Audacity error 9986 fast, starting with the easiest fix first and then moving on to the Windows Audio Service restart if needed. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you should try is a rescan of your audio devices inside Audacity. This is one of the most common fixes because sometimes Audacity just needs to refresh the list of available microphones, speakers, and interfaces. To do that, open Audacity, go to the transport menu at the top, and then click Rescan Audio Devices. Once you do that, give Audacity a moment to redetect your audio hardware. This can clear out temporary glitches and get your microphone or interface showing up properly again. If the error was caused by a brief detection issue, this may solve it immediately. Now, if you're using a USB microphone or a USB audio interface, here's another simple but important fix. Wait a few seconds after plugging it in before you press record. A lot of users run into error 9986 because the device is connected, but Windows and Audacity haven't fully finished recognizing it yet. So if you just plugged in your mic or interface, pause for a moment, let the device fully initialize, and then try recording again. That short delay can make all the difference. If you still see the error, the next step is to restart the Windows Audio Service. This is especially useful on Windows computers when the audio system gets stuck or stops communicating correctly with apps like Audacity. To do this, click the Start menu and type Services. Open the Services app, then scroll through the list until you find Windows Audio. Once you locate it, right-click Windows Audio and choose Restart. Windows will briefly stop and restart the service, which can refresh your entire audio pipeline and clear up the issue causing Audacity error 9986. After the restart finishes, go back to Audacity and test your microphone or interface again. In many cases, that's enough to restore normal recording. If the problem continues, double-check that your correct input device is selected in Audacity, and make sure your USB mic or interface is still connected properly. It also helps to unplug and plug the device back in once, then repeat the rescan step. The main thing to remember is that error 9986 is often caused by a temporary device detection problem, so the fix is usually to refresh the connection rather than completely rebuilding your setup. To recap, start with transport, then rescan audio devices, especially if Audacity isn't seeing your mic correctly. If you just connected a USB mic or interface, wait a few seconds before recording. And on Windows, restart the Windows Audio Service from Services if the issue still remains. These steps solve the problem for a lot of users without any complicated troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix Audacity error 9986, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone else who's struggling with the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.